Hi guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Joe by Deborah. Well, today I am doing a bonus 4th of July box. So I have a fun box. This is from Asawani, Georgia. So I hope everyone's having a safe and wonderful 4th of July. Let's see. Oh, I got that same thing as Kristen D did. Dear friends, just a quick note to say thanks for shopping on ThredUP and some other information about a concept store. Okay, I ordered this June 27th. It was $34, but I had $22.31 in points from selling stuff on there, plus a loyalty bonus or something. So, all right, this is what the box looks like. And so if you're interested in any of these items, you can email me right there, timelessjoelbydeborah@gmail.com. All right, let's hope for a good box. There's first look. All right, and so what I'll do is I'll show you each item, then I'll come back and insert prices. So, and maybe some more information. Okay, we got clothing. It is All in Favor from Nordstrom. It was $59. It's size extra small. It is black. Oh, it's a robe, but it's see-through. Look at that. So I don't think you have to wear this as a robe. I think you could wear it over a, a blouse or a cami. Really pretty. Too bad I'm not an extra small. So I will get some more information on this, some sizing, and I will pop up some prices. All right, next up. Giorgio Armani Parfums. So this was probably a free gift with perfume. It's a cute little bag. Super cute. New with the tag. Giorgio Armani. Yep, gift not for sale. Well, they made it for sale because I paid for it. All right. It looks like we've got a belt. Try to save these bags. All right. So we have a black belt. Let's see. It has, it's H&M, genuine leather, Euro large, US large, Canada G, CN, and then it has a whole bunch of stuff. Made in Sweden. So there you go. That's what it looks like. So, okay, well, at least it's a nice belt. All right, we got some more clothing. Adidas, we got a sports bra, new with the tag. All day I dream about stuff. Okay, it's a size small, and it's black. It was $25. So Adidas sports bra, nice. That's what the back looks like. Great. Okay, it looks like we've got, oh, whoa, this is weird. We got two pieces of the same. Usually when we get these boxes, sometimes we'll get one piece and not the other. But this time I got a whole swimsuit. So this is, it's Time and True. Oh, that is really cute. Women owned. It was $20.89 or $20.98. Really pretty. Look at that design. Wow, it's padded. It is a size 8-10, which is a medium. Really cute. Okay, let's look at the bottoms. The bottoms were priced separately at $18.98. And these are size medium, 8-10. Wow, the same size too. So there you go. Nice coverage on the behind. That is a really cute. It still has its sanitary liner. That's important. Okay, we've got a little Steve Madden credit card holder. Definitely can't put a phone in this. Looks like it's brand new. It's pink. Show you the inside. There you go. So it's just open on the inside, so you could put maybe some keys in there, or your credit cards, and you can put your ID there. So pink, Steve Madden. Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. We've got socks. So these are really super thin. Hopefully they're pairs. There should be 2 socks there. So we've got gray, white, black, pink, and beige. Nice. No size information. So these would be good for a flat, you know, not an open toe unless you want the heart to show through. So I don't even want to open them, but usually these are like a one size fits most. Those are cute. Vera Bradley. Let's see what this is. This is, oh, look at that. It's a credit card holder or a picture holder. Sorry about that glare. That's cute. Oh, you guys, I think I'm going to keep this. You want to see why? I got this a couple months back. I keep it on my desk with my little pieces of paper in there. So nice. Vera Bradley, that matches. So sorry, guys, not available. I'm going to keep that. That's great. All right. We've got a hat. This is Outdoor Research out of Seattle, Washington. It is a UPF of 50 plus. US $38. It's the Women's Solar Roller Sun Hat. Nice. And it looks like it's got embroidery. There we go. It is a gray. Okay, guys. I have a ponytail in, so I don't know. There we go. So a sun hat, good for gardening, good for walking. Fits my big head, so hey, that's a plus. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at this. Look at that print. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, what does it say? It says Happy Wahine, WAHINE. Cute. It's like a PVC. Still has some plastic in it. Well, that's cute. That is a nice bag. Then you have a place for your keychain. So I will definitely have to look that up. Not familiar with this, but isn't that precious? Look at that. Okay, this is a great box. Okay, this looks like a Vera. No, okay, wow, this is cute. Okay. Called the Butterfly Garden Tote. On the bottom it says, catch joy like you catch butterflies with an open heart and a wide net. Wow, that is super cute. It's by Brighton, you guys. Okay, there you go. There's the back. It says Brighton right there. Wow, nice. This is a great tote. Brand new too with the tag. You've got a pocket right there and it says be yourself. Hey, that looks like we got everything. So this is precious. This is really a great piece. So Brighton, I love that. So I will pop up prices for these. Here is the number 2, the bag. Number 3 is the hat. Number 4 is the Steve Madden. And I'm going to give you guys good prices because, you know, I don't like to list. I really don't. There is that picture thing. If somebody really wants this, you guys can shoot me an email right there at Timeless Jewel by Deborah with an offer. But as of for right now, I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to put business cards in there of people that I do business with. And that way it's on my desk. So, but if someone is interested, let me know. Okay. Then we got the swimsuit, size medium. This is really adorable. Really cute. I love that. And I'm not sure. You know, I stopped counting. Let me go back. So we got Brighton 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not sure. 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the bathing suit they only counted as 1. So not too shabby. Well, you guys have a fantastic rest of the 4th of July long extended weekend for a lot of people. And If you are interested, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. I'm keeping this short and sweet, so I will insert prices and you guys can email me right there, timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. You guys have a fantastic day, and don't forget to join me Saturday, 12 noon Central Standard Time. I'm going to have new sterling silver, new amber, new gemstones. Here, I'll give you guys a preview. Okay, you guys, I don't know how well this is going to show. So we're going to give it a second there and see if I can get it to focus. Nope, doesn't want to focus. But this is gorgeous. It is a citrine. Yeah, it's not going to focus. A citrine bracelet. It is gorgeous. I got a bunch of new gemstones. Got opals, sapphires. Oh, great. And of course, we're going to always do costume jewelry. And, oh, I don't have them here. I do bonus bags. They're $7. It's a mystery bag. And so what you do is when you're in my live sale, you just say, I'd like a mystery bag, and then I can show it to you, or I can send it to you as a mystery. So, all right, you guys. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. Have a safe and wonderful holiday, and I will see you guys Saturday. And next week, we will resume regularly scheduled videos. So as always, be well, take care of each other, and tell someone you love them today. It's really important.